Hey friends, I'm Mary Ellen and welcome to Life is Messy but I'm Learning as I Grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a plant-based recipe, crafting with Dollar Tree finds, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen and that's okay. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and having fun along the way. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we're making adorable garden gnomes using clay pots. This is a fun and simple DIY that's perfect for adding a little personality to your garden or porch. Supplies you'll need: acrylic paint, any colors you like for your gnome's outfit and hat, paintbrushes, 2 small clay pots, one slightly smaller for the top, hot glue gun and glue sticks, mop head, Dollar Tree ones work great. For the beard, small ball, wooden, foam or plastic. For the nose, artificial flowers, for decorating the hat or base. Extra embellishments if you want to add more personality to your gnome. Let's make a mess. Paint the pots. Start by painting your 2 clay pots with acrylic paint. One for the body and one for the hat. Choose any colors you like. Let them dry completely before moving on. The pots are dry, turn one pot upside down. This will be the body. Cut a section from the mop head to create a beard, trimming it into a triangle or rounded shape. Glue it to the front of the pot using your hot glue gun. Attach the hat. Take your second painted pot to the hat, and glue it right side up on top of the body pot. You can tilt it slightly for extra charm. Add the nose. Glue your small ball just above the beard, close to the top rim of the pot. This will be your gnome's nose. Decorate with flowers. Use artificial flowers to add decoration around the hat or base of your gnome. Glue them in place however you like. Display. Then your cute little gnome is ready to brighten up your garden, porch or windowsill. This gnome needs a friend, so I made 2. Garden gnomes originated in 19th century Germany, where they were believed to bring luck and protection to gardens. They quickly spread across Europe and beyond, becoming charming little guardians of plants, flowers and backyard fun still today. And that's it, your very own garden gnome made from clay pots. Whether you keep it simple or add lots of flair, each gnome has its own unique charm. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about having fun, trying something new and learning as you go. If yours turned out a little wonky, that just means it has extra personality. Let me know in the comments what colors or decorations you used on your gnome. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check the description box for the full written instructions. Keep creating, keep learning and keep growing, even if it gets a little messy along the way.